Matthew here. He is Matthew.
And more Aotearoa Winton School, Ko Kay's here. He is Case. Welcome to the NEWS News for Ratu, the 27th of June.
Okay, let's get into Te Kupa o Te Liki.
This week's word is ka pai hoki koe, which is te reo for good on you. Ka pai. On to health and safety news.
High vis vest. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Reminder to stay off the muddy patches of grass as the mud travels into the classrooms.
The ropes are out of bounds as they need some parts replaced. Please stay off these until you are told they can be used again.
Here is today's notices.
Please make sure you wait in your classroom for the heat-up tray to be delivered to your class by the heat-up monitors.
You are not to go into the heat-up room or stop the monitors on the way to delivering the heat-up trays.
Reminder that the library is open today.
We sent out our teacher reporters out to see the Year 5s at Camp Columbia yesterday after school. Here are some photos of what they've been up to.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. Come on, like the.
That's it from us.
Now, if you've missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the NEWS News team. Ka kite a papa. See you tomorrow.
Hi, Rita, and stay sharp, Winton School.